Like a scene out of a movie, this man masked in black walked into the Ranchito number 4 on South Gessner late Thursday night, pointing a gun and demanding customers empty their wallets. They threw cash to the floor as the robber went one by one. But as he came back by the man sitting at table number 4, 9 gunshots rang through the small restaurant. The robber stopped at the door and dead on the rug. Shooting surveillance video shows the shooter walk up to the robber and recover the stolen cash. He then realizes the robber's gun is fake, throwing it at the wall in anger before pouring a beverage on him and walking out.